how to look cute without makeup. Hi, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of looking dull and boring? Do you want to stand out and make heads turn? Well, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to look cute without the use of makeup in just a few simple steps. Get ready to unleash your inner cuteness and become everyone's favorite adorable human. So let's dive into it. This video includes wearing cute outfits, cute hair, smelling cute, and acting cute. Wearing cute outfits. Looking cute starts with your outfit. Yes, your clothes have the power to transform you into a cute little fashionista. So here are some tips to help you nail the cute outfit game. Wear cute clothes. Ignore wearing boring pants and shorts. Wear cute skirt and dress instead. Dresses and skirts are more feminine and fashionable. And if you are not a dress or skirt kind of person, no worries, you do you. When it comes to colors, choose soft, light, and positive ones. Think pastels like lavender, baby blue, or a soft shade of pink. Plus, no one can resist a cute pastel outfit. Clothing with ruffles, bows, or other sweet embellishments enhance the cuteness of your outfit. Accessorize. Cute accessories can take your outfit look cuter. Don't go overboard though. Pick a few accessories that really make your outfit pop. Add playful and cute accessories like charm bracelets, cute chunky pink ring, delicate necklaces, or quirky earrings. And let's not forget about bangles. They can add more playfulness to your look. Choose comfortable footwear. Cute doesn't mean uncomfortable. Opt for comfortable footwear like ballet flats, loafers, or sneakers that also match your outfit. And don't forget to dress to flatter your body shape. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Embrace your curves, embrace your uniqueness, and embrace your cuteness. Cute hair. When it comes to looking cute, your hair plays an important role. Embrace natural and soft-looking hair. Avoid heavy styling products that make your hair stiff and unnatural. Let your hair dry naturally and fall gently around your face. If you prefer styling, go for cute and comfortable hairstyles. The following are some of the cute hairstyle ideas you can do: pigtails or braids, messy bun, half up, half down, high ponytail, space buns, loose curls or waves, braided crown, low side ponytail, and ballet bun. You can also consider getting bangs if you don't have them. Bangs are the epitome of cuteness. You can do classic bangs, wispy, side-swept, parted or curtain bangs. These hairstyles will give you more youthful and playful appearance, but make sure that the hairstyles you'll do will be suitable with your face shape. Hair accessories will complete the cuteness of your hair. You can accessorize your hair by wearing bows, hairpins, headbands, or any cute hair accessories. Smelling cute. No one cannot deny the allure of smelling cute. After all, who doesn't want to smell like a delicious strawberry or a lavender field? So here are a few tips to make sure you smell as cute as you look. First, let's talk about hygiene. It's important to wash your body regularly. Trust me, no one wants to be around someone with not so fresh smelling hair or body odor. Use nice smelling shampoo, conditioner, and body wash to elevate your shower experience. Make sure to wear freshly laundered clothes as well to contribute your clean and inviting scent. The scent of strawberry, vanilla, and coconut are always a great option. But smelling cute isn't just about the products you use, so embrace those scents that make you feel fabulous. Whether it's a perfume or a fragrant body lotion, find a scent that suits your personality. Opt for light, subtle, and fresh scents that are not overpowering. Floral, fruity, or citrusy notes are often associated with a cute and youthful vibe. But remember, fragrance is a personal choice, and what might be perceived as cute can vary based on individual preferences. The key is to choose scents that make you feel good and confident. Acting cute. Have you ever wondered how some people just seem naturally cute and adorable? Well, I'm here to spill their secrets. Trust me, it's not just about having a cute face or cute hair, but it's also about the way you act. First thing first, smile often. Smiling instantly adds a touch of charm to your overall demeanor. And who doesn't love a smiling face? So go ahead and show off those pearly white teeth. It's an instant mood booster for both you and those around you. When laughing, a light, genuine laugh or giggle can make you appear more approachable and charming. Next, be kind and friendly. Cute people are known for their warmth and approachability, so make an effort to be genuinely nice to others and use cute gestures. Simple just as playing with your hair, tucking hair behind your hair or lightly touching your chin can add a cute touch. Another key to look cute is being positive. Let go of the negativity and radiate positivity wherever you go. Embrace a sunny disposition that lights up any room you enter. Don't be afraid to show your emotions, whether it's excitement, surprise, or joy. Expressing emotions genuinely can make you come across as more admirable. Trust me, people can't help but be captivated by your infectious optimism. Don't forget to maintain good posture. Stand tall and confident with your shoulders back and head high. Good posture not only makes you look more attractive, but also exudes a certain level of cuteness. Have a cute voice. Yes, you read that right. The way you speak plays a role in showcasing your cuteness. Speak in a gentle and friendly tone. A soothing voice can be quite endearing. Additional tips. And that's it. Remember, being cute is all about embracing your unique self and letting your natural charm shine through. So go ahead and put these tips into practice. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly adorable you can be. Get ready to embrace your inner cuteness and conquer the world with your adorableness.